Hi guys, my name is Anthony Constant, founder of Constant Labs. Today I'm going to be showing you a short demo of the log search tool within the Constant Labs tactical kit, also known as CLTK. Let's get started. So I've been across many different environments where I've had to look through many different log files. Not only that, but we have to open up the log files and look for specific context, whether that's a error message or a status message. And there's been other times where I've had to look through different config files, looking for specific IP addresses or specific parts of a config. However, what we could do is use the log search tool, which essentially does all of that for us. And for this demo, we're going to use the base path, so the directory we're going to search through. We'll need a name pattern. We'll use a wildcard for that. And we'll need a content pattern, which will be the word we're looking for within those files. So without further ado, let's get started. And what I'm going to do first is press number 2 to start the log search tool within CLTK. As previously mentioned, we need a base path. I've created a short demo directory for us, which is demo data. And our name pattern is going to be wildcard.log. And essentially that wildcard could be anything. So it could be john.log, dave.log, and so on. And the .log is the extension we're looking for. So any log file within demo data will be matched. The next thing we need is the content pattern. So the word we're looking for, which is error in our case. We'll leave the rest as default. And we'll click yes to open the spreadsheet immediately after the search is completed. So just to clarify, this search function, we will be searching this folder for log entries containing the word error. I'm just going to click enter. As you can see, the spreadsheet opens immediately. And we have different fields containing version, host machine, timestamp, path, etc. The version is referring to the version of the tactical kit itself. The host machine is actually referring to the name of your device. The timestamp is the timestamp of at the time the search is run. And we have the path and the file size of the file, and also we have word we're looking for in the extension. So if you just pull up one of these files from the directory and ensure it does contain the word error. So I'm just going to minimize that up. If we go to demo data, I saw old.log is in there. So you can see the word error is there. So the search was successful. What I'm going to do, I am going to go back to the launcher in the directory there. I'm just going to show you where it's actually stored. So it's in outputs when the search is completed. Go to the last date modified. You can see here we have 3 files, and this being the file we just looked at, which is this one here. We also have a JSON format of the spreadsheet, which is good for passing information. We have a summary JSON, which would be a summary of the search, so form matches found, for example. And it's important to note as well, it has a run ID and it has a timestamp. So if you were to run another log search, it wouldn't overwrite any existing ones. And we also have our logs, which actually is referring to the menu launcher. So if you go to the last date modified, you'll see that we have run the log search tool, see the options we've chosen as well, and the results. So that's always useful to have. And essentially, this tool is most useful when working with large folders where manual searching would take too long. I hope you found this demo useful, and thank you for watching and listening. See ya.